So therefore, the Z total should now be equal to Z1 plus what? Plus ZC, which is parallel to what? Parallel to this and this. So which is what? Which is Z2 plus what? Plus ZL prime. So this and this are in parallel. So the ZT should now be equals to Z1 plus this. This and this are in parallel. So I have to what? I have to multiply them and what? Divide it by addition. So therefore, according to the parallel resistance, which 1 over R total is equals to 1 over R1, 1 over R2 up to 1 over R of n. So this is the same thing as ZC multiplied by what? Z2 prime. I have prime here plus what? Plus ZL prime, all divided by what? ZC plus what? Plus Z2 prime plus what? Plus ZL what? Plus ZL prime. So the next formula that I want you to know is that we have the formula that says what? So take note of this. But this don't forget is for what? For exciting impedance. The Z total, which is for the what? For the exciting what? Exciting impedance. What I mean by that is that don't be confused. This impedance is what? Using the ZC. But if you are dealing with no load, this should not be the exciting, but it will be what? Z0, which is the no load what? Current considered to what? Considered to the impedance, because the Z0 is at no load current. That's why it becomes what? Z0. And we have Z2 prime, which is the same thing as what? Z2 prime, which is the same thing as R2 plus what? Plus J, which is what? Which is X what? Which is X2, and it has to be prime, all with prime. We have what? We have the R2 prime, and also we have what? We have the X2 prime, and also we have the Z prime L. And therefore this R0 prime, this is the same thing as what? As we did it before, R2 over what? R2 over R, and also which is what? X2 over R, which is also ZL over what? Over R. So all these formulas are very important. So, but in this case, this has to be what? With squared, all with what? All with squared.